Mama, can I share what happened
Yeah,
after the session?
sure.
Actually, after the session, the same day the session was, I had a right shoulder pain, and you had given us a light matrix meditation to follow, and some affirmations to do, which I tried on, and I got a relief slowly. Initially, I thought it was not working, but then I got it. And then you also told us to invoke angels, which I have always heard from you, but I never tried it. So
Okay.
for past 2-3 days, like my some work was I wanted that work to happen somehow, and I wanted the time to be created for myself, and which was not happening. So I tried to invoke the angels. I tried the same language what you had used, that I accept you in whatever form you are, and I did that, Baima, and I'm so happy with this gesture that it worked. I don't know
Beautiful.
how. I could see butterflies coming in my house, sitting on the AC every morning, beautiful colors coming inside, and they were like there with me. And things were just flowing, and so it was a wonderful experience I learned from the last session. Thank you so much.
Excellent, excellent. The faith and the trust has gone up now in the energy work.
Yes.
Great. Good to hear that.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Who else would like to share?
नमस्ते दी।
Namaste, Babita.
हाँ, मैं भी अब वो कैंसल क्लियर एंड ट्रांसमूट मतलब डेली ही ग्राउंडिंग एंड डिवाइन एनर्जी ले रही हूँ और मुझे
Beautiful.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Beautiful, beautiful.
और कोई भी निगेटिव थॉट्स मेरे आते हैं ना तो मैं तुरंत उसको ट्रांसमूट कर देती हूँ।
Excellent, excellent. Excellent.
थैंक यू फॉर दैट।
Most welcome, Babita ji.
Yes, but clear
Yes,
and
Gulnaz.
work for me also wonderfully.
Beautiful. So, which area did you work?
I worked in family today issues. There is a case done on us by my sister-in-laws for property matter. So, believe me, I have not been affected 1% also by it. And
Excellent.
neither my family has been affected because continuously I was chanting this since 1 week.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
And like, ऐसा है कि जाने देना चले भी गए तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, you know that type of
Correct.
habit we have developed. So
Correct.
and it's not affecting us, it's not affecting our sleep, nothing has happened, जैसे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है.
Excellent.
That way.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Who else would like to share their experience?
Ma'am, I have also used Rewind here, ma'am. I have also used Energy Matrix also, and today also for my headache, and it is completely gone.
Excellent.
And I am using, I am calling Archangel Michael also after reading the book. I
Excellent.
knew about it, but somehow after reading the book, I got inspired with this. And my son is on trekking course.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए मैं आई एम कॉलिंग एंड उनको वहाँ पे असाइन कर रही हूँ कि उसका लुक आफ्टर करें, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करें और उसको स्ट्रेंथ दें. सो इट्स वर्किंग वंडरफुल, magically.
Perfect.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much.
I wanted to share
Yes, Selma.
the last meditation that we had done at the end of the session, the alignment and the healing with the grounding and the pillar of light. So I had a fall many years ago, and after the surgery has healed and all, the kneecap keeps moving to the right, so I cannot walk. When I walk, it stops me from taking a step. So since then, that is several years ago, 7-8 years ago, I'm wearing a belt every day. From the time I get up till the time I lie down. But I took off after the meditation, I was feeling much better on my knee, and I decided that day that I will not wear the belt at all after this. I removed the belt after the session was over, and till today I have not put it on again. 8 days have
And
passed.
how is the pain?
The pain is there, but it is bearable, and I'm doing the
beautiful.
meditation. So every time it aggravates, I work on it, and hopefully I will not need to wear it again.
Great. That's a very good news. In fact, today you're going to learn more about how to heal the emotions. Because at times the pain is not physical, but the pain is stuck in the emotional. And yes, today you will learn how to heal the emotion as well. Okay. Anybody else would like to share? Can I
I would
share?
like to share my experience.
Yes. Who is that?
Aarti.
Yeah, Aarti.
Yeah, actually, I'd messaged you that I've got guests coming over, so I may
Okay, it
not
was
be
you.
free. Yeah,
Okay.
it was me.
Okay.
So I asked my angels, I would definitely want to attend the meeting. It is not going to be rescheduled. And they helped me a lot. The program was
Beautiful.
rescheduled
Beautiful.
in the afternoon, and I just came back home at 4:45 after attending everyone.
Beautiful.
And
Beautiful.
after it was rescheduled, again the guests, they rescheduled the program. They are here overnight, but at least I am free in the evening to attend the
Excellent.
meeting.
Excellent. That
And
shows what is
yesterday,
your priority. I feel whenever you are able to accommodate yourself, it shows your priority, what is important to you. And if this is important to you, not for me or my session, but it is
yeah,
important for your own personal healing. That is
hmm,
what counts. Like from October 1st, if you realize, I have started with the 5,000 steps. Correct?
yes,
Generally,
yeah,
I walk during the evening. Evening, I prefer to go to the garden and walk 5,000 steps. But today, I knew because of the session, I won't be able to go to the joggers park. So I said, let me walk in the morning at home and complete my 5,000 steps. And I've already
okay,
completed the 5,000 step already. So you need to understand that what is your priority. If you are committing yourself to something, make sure you are there, because the universe understands your commitment, and the universe will be able to fulfill what you are even asking. Because since you are committed, the universe is also committed.
yeah.
Thank you, Aarti, for sharing that.
And
Wonderful.
ma'am, one more thing I would like to share.
Mhm.
Yesterday night, I was feeling very feverish. My daughter asked me,
Mhm.
just put on the thermometer. I said, no, I know I've got some fever, but I'm not going to put it on. I just
Uh-huh.
repeated twice or thrice, "Ki fever, fever, go away. I do not require you
Beautiful.
anymore." And immediately I felt relief. Immediately
Excellent.
I felt
Excellent.
relief. Thank you
Excellent,
so much, ma'am.
excellent. Most welcome. I'm so happy you all are working with lots of trust and faith in it, because all these things works only when you have complete faith and trust. Okay? So let's come to today's topic. Today we are going to talk about emotional healing. Now, what is emotions?